Hi, I'm Lorenzo from the Ango team at iMerit, and here's how you can fine-tune your text large language model on AngoHub. First, you'll need to integrate your model to the platform, and to do so, you'll create a plugin on Hub, which only takes a few clicks. Then with a simple Python script, you can integrate your model to the plugin we've just created so that every time you call this plugin on Hub, you're directly interfacing with your model. For this demo, I've integrated the OpenAI API to my plugin, and I'll use ChatGPT, but you can use your own model. All you need to know to create a plugin on Hub is in our documentation at docs.imerit.net. So you go into your project and set it up the way you need, both in terms of the tools and classification classes that you need, as well as the workflow. Now, in my project, I'll feed the LLM with text prompts directly from AngoHub, and I'll ask the annotator to rate the LLM's answers, as well as to edit the answers if necessary. So I've set up my workflow in such a way that if the rating, which is from 1 to 5, is below 4, AngoHub will automatically send a prompt to my LLM again, regenerate the answer, and show the answer to annotators again. So let's click on one of the prompts here and see what the LLM said. Now, I have a prompt that says, give me fun facts about the city of Turin, Italy. So I'll click on it, and here's the LLM answer. Now, we've placed the answer here so that it's editable, and the annotator can go ahead and edit it. Now, being from Turin, I know a thing or two about the city, so reading through these fun facts, they look solid. They look like they are the correct fun facts for Turin, and so I can rate it a 5 out of 5 and send it away. Now, given that I've set up the workflow in such a way that if it's 5 out of 5, it's good to go, it's been sent to complete, as you can see here. Now, let's take a look, for example, instead at another prompt. Let's click on Start Labeling and see what we get. So write a paragraph explaining the pros and cons of homeschooling. Now, this is the answer that was given to us by the LLM. Let's say that we'd like the paragraph to be a bit longer. It was quite short, and so we don't like this. We would rate it a 2, for example. Now, this paragraph here, we send it to submit, and it will be regenerated in the background. So AngoHub has sent that prompt again to the LLM, and the LLM is now regenerating that in the background while we continue annotating the other prompts. So provide a list of baby names, and these are all pretty good names, so we can rate it a 4 out of 5 and submit. Now, we have again been shown an alternative answer to the initial prompt. So if you remember, we sent this prompt again to the LM for regeneration, and we can see the new response that it has given to us. Now, this time it looks like the paragraph is a bit longer, so I like it, and I can rate it a 4 and submit it. And so this is a very short overview of how you can fine-tune your LLM on AngoHub. At the end of the day, at the end of the project, you go to the Export tab and download your JSON export containing all of this information, the prompts, the responses, the ratings at any point in time. You can use them and feed them into your model, or if you're using webhooks, for example, in your Hub workflow, then you can fine-tune your model live as it gets answers from the annotators. So you don't even need to download that export and send it. Everything happens directly on AngoHub, which is very tightly integrated with your model. So I hope this helped, and check out iMerit.net for more. See you next time.